Identifying a real black diamond can be a bit challenging, but there are several ways to tell if it's genuine. 1. Look for inclusions. Real black diamonds are full of internal inclusions like graphite or other minerals. Under magnification, 10x or more, you'll often see small cracks or imperfections inside. These are natural and actually a good sign. 2. Check the luster. A real black diamond has a metallic or high shine surface, also called an adamantine luster. It should reflect light in a sharp, brilliant way. If it looks dull or glassy, it may be a fake like black spinel or cubic zirconia. 3. Use a diamond tester. Black diamonds, like all diamonds, conduct heat. A diamond tester can usually detect this. However, because of the many inclusions, the result might not always be accurate, so don't rely on this alone. 4. Observe the transparency. Hold the stone up to a strong light. A real black diamond is usually opaque, meaning light should not pass through it. If the stone is somewhat see-through or translucent, it's probably not real. 5. Consider the price. Natural black diamonds are not as expensive as white diamonds, but they're still valuable. If the price seems too good to be true, it might be a treated diamond or a fake stone. 6. Ask for certification. The best way to be sure is to ask for a certificate from a respected gemological lab like the GIA. A certified report will tell you whether the diamond is natural, treated, or synthetic. 7. Consult a professional. If you're still unsure, take the stone to a certified gemologist. They have the tools and expertise to give you a clear answer.